Hi viewers, in this video I am going to share with you the speak text to speech feature to read aloud the text in MS Word and other Office app like Outlook. For example, if you are receiving emails or if there is a Word document and you don't want to read it, so you can on this feature, the speak text to speech feature of MS Word, or in Outlook also you can use it. For example, I have this text and I want it to be read aloud. For example, if I select a text, so it would speak the selected text. But if I don't select it and just click here and on that feature, so all this document will be read aloud to me. For example, this is the feature. Use the speech feature to read text aloud in MS Word and other Office apps like Outlook. And here when you enable this read aloud, so here you will see these buttons. You can play and pause, and you can change even the speed, the reading speed of the person, or you can change the voice. There are three options. This is David, this is Zira, and this is Mark. So you can change the voice also. For example, I'm selecting this one. Office app like Outlook. Listen to your Word document read aloud. Listen. So in this way, for example, if you are lying on your bed and you just want the MS Word or Outlook to read aloud the email or the text in MS Word or of a report, so you can enable this option, and it's very helpful. How to enable this option? For this, you need to click here and show the quick access toolbar that is required. You need to click show quick access toolbar. You need to click here, or you can go to file. Here you can go to file, and from file you need to go to the option. Here this is quick access toolbar. Click it. From here select all commands. When you select all command, rather press SP, so it will take you to all the words, because this is an alphabetic order, so it will take you to the words which start from SP. So here you have the speak. Add it. When you add this, so here you will see a quick access toolbar and this option read aloud. It is called read aloud also, or it is also called speech. So you can enable this with Alt Control Space also. This is also the shortcut Alt Control Space. So now when I click this read aloud, it will start that I have selected or that is available in that document. Use the speak text to speech feature to read text aloud in MS Word and other Office apps like Outlook. And you can also change the setting from here when this is on. So here you can change the setting, the speed, the voice of the person, and pause and play if you want to go to the previous section or to the next section. So that is very easy for you.